In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import customer data into QuickBooks Online, a great way to streamline your business operations. To get started, the first thing we need to do is prepare your customer data. Begin by creating a spreadsheet that details all your customer information. This should include crucial details like the customer's name, email, and phone number. If applicable, add the company name. It's also important to include billing and shipping addresses along with any specific payment terms. Once you have all this information neatly organized, save your spreadsheet either as an Excel file with the .xlsx extension or as a .csv file. This preparation is essential because it sets the foundation for a smooth import process. Now that your data is ready, it's time to log into QuickBooks Online. Open up your web browser and navigate to quickbooks.intuit.com. From there, sign into your account with your credentials. If you haven't done this step before, make sure to have your login details on hand. Once you're logged in, turn your attention to the menu on the left side. Click on Sales and then on Customers. This will bring you to the section where all your customer information is managed. The next step is to initiate the import process. Look for the New Customer drop-down arrow, or you might see a gear icon near the Customers list. Click on it and select Import Customers. By doing this, you're telling QuickBooks that you're ready to bring in data from your prepared file into the system. Now it's time to upload your file. Look for the Browse or Select File button. Click on it and a window will pop up allowing you to locate and select your previously prepared Excel or CSV file. Once you've chosen your file, hit Next. This sends your data file to the QuickBooks system and you're almost there. QuickBooks will then prompt you to map the columns from your spreadsheet to the corresponding fields in QuickBooks. This step ensures that the data aligns correctly, so review the mappings carefully. If any adjustments are needed, make them now. This is critical to avoid any mishaps during the import. Once you're satisfied with the mappings, you're ready to complete the import. You'll be presented with an import summary. Take a moment to review it for any errors or warnings. It's best to address any issues before proceeding. Finally, click Import to add your customers. Congratulations, your customer data should now be imported. To double check, return to the Customers page. Review the list to ensure everything was imported correctly and your customer information is now up to date and ready for use in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching and happy bookkeeping.